24 hours 11 before we start for votes for get we new president for this side. So for Douala, we dey talk big salute. We throwing a big salute for outside day PG News debate number 6 day inside number 10 moon for 2018. We don't start. We sorry so start late tomorrow, but sabi say better say you late than self say you no even come for this side. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we get plenty thing that we'll talk. We get palava for Watawe, a meet up people them for road from Doc Passy side. They will go talk we go take talk chapter for die where it happened to, plus even fire where it happened for inside Douala here. Sabi say chapter for campaign SSF, we go finish today for inside Equinox Story House. After campaign today, last one them. Tomorrow, all man he must to go duty we get for do. We na palava for vote. Inside Tori for this afternoon, calling people them. We get two peoples where we don't have invite them. We don't give them invite. Say make we try for talk wait there for outside. One, I go talk say good afternoon for you, Oga Lewat. Good afternoon for you.
Good afternoon, Oga Ambassador. Good afternoon for all the viewers and all Melon, my city.
All right, another person too will go talk say make the salute na Oga Ajang Divine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ambassador.
Yes, and we glad for see you after we be make a accident and as I be say this also waka corner.
Na be normal, but now say God, it don't help me, and at the time any man will support me for the accident, God, it don't make me I don't come back again. So same would actually.
All right, thank you plenty for the time we will spend our TV for this side. So now the two people then that will get them for talk this afternoon. One time we go enter for two, we'll get them for now for this afternoon. We'll go start now with this palava for flood inside Douala here. Rainway before for Douala for inside the week. It suffer plenty people that way they should done for place where they call them saying Doc Passy. Yes, Doc Passy at 3. Now for sideway this so they put them saying a place we put the should done. We enter for day for talk at this palavam. Make we try for see who get for inside this arrangement. Now Mami said that Mami for picking way it carry person for inside this palavam. Where it this way get for carry it picking for commot. As we sabi for inside this arrangement. Place where they call them say Doc Passy when a place where they just open them. Water it the turn up quick. Water the turn up quick for that side. Now it make them plenty people them say they know the fit for do it in. Plenty people them they know the fit for waka when rain it don't fall for that side. Sabi say this arrangement for palava for water it worry plenty people them. Yes, it worry plenty people them for that side. After we rain it fall for place where they call them saying Doc Passy now for side for village and plenty people them they talk say Guataho say you know the them school picking the SSF they know before for go school that morning time for sake the plenty rainway a before for that side. Just now as well the see image for that side I will talk for you Oga Ajang Divine. When you see to where they happen for Douala moto SSF where you know be there you check say this sick we sabi say Douala first na town way normal na water town but you check say the kind of things so get for the happen for Douala the kind of time sabi say man damn say they come for Douala small time.
Ambassador, that thing we don't see and that thing we will continue to see. Douala they like say don't only surprise people them where they never know say the kind of thing would be like thing like Douala. Douala na thing we will meet up and rent the enter for people their house, rent the block road. Till today for 21st century Douala rent the steep block road for Douala. I will get city council the way they talk say they defeat got at them. Up to now, not in the show. I'll be glad to say when I be show up on Lycée de Mambanda that they were picking they remove shoe before they go school. This sick, it don't enter for people they are blood for Cameroon. If I say more change all thing so that make country be fine.
Now, when you see this, I will try for ask you if you say na for sake say Douala na place with normal she don't talk what na why they get for suffer they can suffer or na just for sake say maybe some people they know the big house or place where they get for Bila.
Yes, Douala no na only for Douala or for Cameroon water. The other country then water day. But how they do succeed then they drain the water. Now because they get town planning and good drainage pattern where they have say make water no the stand. If they be do and too so for Cameroon, they will not the see the kind thing them. So I know talk saying that because of Douala, I'll talk saying that because people they know one fix Douala may be like other country or may resemble economic capital.
Now, Ogale what you say Bitori man, Douala for the kind of face, so now We sabi one say Douala dey na for top water, but we would also see the same thing all time when small rain fall. Now water when small rain fall, people they hear about. You try to say some work they really get for do for say make the thing stop or it go ever stop.
This kind of thing for this time where we talk so ambassador, so na big surprise. So we did try for see as we go do another African Cup for few months. And rain the fall for Douala, this Douala way they like we own face for world, and that kind of water the being again. Na some bad thing. And no na only say as teacher be talk, no na only say Douala na for water side. Na say people where they get charged for work that work, they know they do no nothing. Correct. They know they make their work as they get for do. And since 3 years now, if they start now for Makepe, they talk for all French, for all people. French people give money, say may they try put that drain them. When water begin pass fan, they take money pack them. Oga for
Government delegate.
Yes, Oga delegate. He thought say go fix that side for Mabanda. He no fix them. This one to can be now. We they so way Mr. Ahmad he passed for ya 3 days ago. For see if he go live, we say we make that African Cup. And this one way see him, so he go big na big shame. Because he want come out, he try talk say, he know see bad road for Cameroon. I think say he want talk say, he no. And I just cannot think where he see him so.
Alright, and a sick way we don't talk, you know, go surely feel for some, but if the people then say they put their hand, they decide say they want walk the work, it go surely go for before. Another story will happen for inside the week, now so quarter story we don't start with them. We go enter for place where they call them say New Bell, for place where they call them Photo Godin. Now for this way accidents it be happen for night. Traffic it day, some people they be one go house, but we no be them. After we some motorway it they carry Mimbo Sesep, a jam some Okada man, carry the Okada, drag and with it die body so they reach us on level. A make ancestor road, a block their motorway on a way turn up so. Now motor says we make that accident for inside Douala here for place where they call them say Photo Godin. Now for New Bell side. And waiting happen, they talk say boy we die, literal 384 number for motor. The person we die for on top Okada, con the people them. A be then a person we come up for bouncer. Sabi say army rescue people SSF, they be there for day where the one can check which way really pass. When we see the motor and the two carry for his skin, plus the container or even the Okada where the motor waka on top, we go see say true the accident be then a one way person no for fee for leave. For Sika say a mash the Okada, carry the Okada so take before he no be even sabi say person dey. Last after where people they can't talk, one time now where the Okada is stop, but the person say if don't die, Okada says as on the see Okada be even dey some kind of way. If you take and go sell for Panabita says he go tell you say he no go fit for work that one, they go only come up at them fix different Okada with them. So one person he die and we say so be the time when they carry that person when there's some boy where we say come up back so it says pepper them na either way die where they put it inside one time, put them for inside taxi straight direct. Now for co-house way they go for putty. Ogande what? We sabi say Cameroon e get better load. And they ever talk say big motor they no get for waka for some kind of time. And sabi say that accident happen for night. But when big motor the waka like the motor they carry Mimbo tonton, if you say they get for the waka with plenty speedway, they go even jam person so they kill her.
Oga Ambassador, anyhow, for inside town, no motor no get for waka for high speed. Because you know say for town, you feel one pass some picking where they play, it can come out for before. If you get there for high speed, you know get time for whole break. And we must talk to say that we friend them, that we brother them for Okada. They don't say where truck did that conductor for truck is there up. You know the sitting where they really they down, and they know they even look for that there on
small looking glass.
Yes, looking glass for corner. If you make so way, that man be going. He come for that high speed. You know, see say that Okada man there for a corner. Okada man too, as they like for make some kind of John and Adan the Okada, he just come in tattoo for under that truck. And if they get for waka for net, I think say they on time for waka if even na for even time. I thought that truck them. Yes, time where all taxi and all work people don't go back for coal. They feel waka for net. But down can waka for high speed na bad.
Now, I remember say time we accident for Timba Moto, he passed on Mutengene, minister will be there that time, he be talking me Timba Moto, they know the waka for the time. But today, inside Douala, you the waka with the Timba Moto for corner like so na become them. Pajan, you feel say accident na careless for people where they drive the big motor or na Okada man, and the accident them for Douala. You feel say if you control the accident them, or people they for go back for school.
Tiwa I tell you, I say, you know, Camion and Okada people, they did how a mosquito they disturb man. When Okada man they for front, it they like say they disturb a camion person. They must do everything. May do even pom where they make them for back. If he make Okada man fi go get accident because of that fear, it they like say they intimidate them saying that they are rude. If na say na the most of the people they die, they blame Okada people at time, but no na they be the cause. Mostly this driver them, since they know say Okada no fit do nothing, they know the fear Okada when they for front, they follow na the road. They the big cause for the accident. They were most of the Okada people they die. Though Okada people they lie for make mago for road, but at time so one they calculate space, other one they need to calculate, but the camion driver they be mostly cause for their accident.
Alright, we go quick jump enter for inside case them for that will be get inside the week. So I be say we start late, so get for try for see us so we'll meet up with all the things that we don't put on for inside book. We go enter for first this one, we take on a go for Nouvelle Route for Gendarmerie, Nouvelle Route Entrée Gendarmerie now for that side, so for BPCT, we they meet up that body. Tomorrow Sunday go make now 1 week where this what happen, where some girl where she only one, the only one come after 4 days, Thursday. Last time we see we neighbor them and neighbor them say they see Friday they no see, Saturday they no see, only for trunk smell for come out for Ido for Sunday where Ido already die as soon as and celebrate them. Now for Windows SF where she done now for the way they so they be spy before they check say they so the girl where they call am saying June or na woman where they call am saying June Marie Noel he don't die. They say this speaking if he get 31 years before he dies home. No man he never sabi wetin happen. Army rescue people themselves for Captain Afu Hansel as well they call them one time. They be there present for answer for year wetin pass for that side. Sabi say first they get for meet up with the gendarme, talk small thing them, check wetin they get for buy am before they go broke that door. So after when they talk with the family people them, they enter, they go broke door, come up with the dead body for that picking or that girl where they call am say Marie Noel. So now we never feel for talk wetin wey kill the girl, but family they talk say they no sabi whether the girl he ever gets on sick. But they sabi say the girl na get wey he dey trouble for town, trouble for inside quarter before he dey so he dey leave. So no na that kind of get wey dey wait for say me massa he can give him money. Another case too for die we go talk am before we come back for on top here for talk. We take on a go for place where they call am say pond noir, that's what they call am. But me I go call am say bridge where black water they pass for under am. Now for that side, so for a villa side, that one too it pass now for inside the weekend we will just finish am. Where some young boys say it take a time. He go enter for inside that water way he no sabi for swim. Now so too army rescue people then too they come for them, then too they can show their own small style where they sabi for swim inside that black water. So for place where they call them say pong noir, for place where they call them say village. Now so too they enter from top canoe, turn for inside the water. After they start jump for inside the water for check as way a day so they go find that dead body. Then sabi say after 2 hours when they turn inside that water, swim all kind of style, enter for inside the water, look all the conny hold them for the water. They no be fit for see that young boy way he fall inside the water. So one time they be come up for the water. Yes, they be come up for the water. They swim fine for inside for finding that body. Other one they turn up for corner they define them, but they no be see the boy. Now so to the end for that day after 2 hours we they find them. But sabi say after when they come out, he no stay. die body e comot too for up. Na so too dey comot the die body. Now the quarter people necessary dey turn back for see say the die body don comot. For some young boy wey e decide for jump enter for water, man e no fit talk wetin wey make am before e jump enter for that water for kill himself. But sabi say sotey now investigate e don dey continue for happen on top that palava. Now the two palava dem there for die we will get am for inside the week. Some kind of die. Oga Jan, when you look all the two die them first, plenty people dey talk say e no fine say make person she don A1 for house one for that one with that girl be die they only meet up after. Some other one they blame neighbor where they she don for 2-3 days they no see neighbor they no be fit for ask am. Then we get young boy to way he get strong. Instead for him for go do something, he go enter na water for die. Now on top the two cases, what do you get for put am for mob like a papa for pikin?
Ambassador, I'll begin with that girl where die. Now say it's not fine for person for she don for her see one because anything fit happen. But the thing what they talk against say they were country still dey for back. Person not fit die. Well, get medical doctor them for then they not fit proof thing. They not fit identify thing where kill it. It shows say how our country they right for back. Now neighbor them two they live with that particular girl where die so. At least they must find out yesterday I not see the person. After 4 days, wait till it happen where I never see the person. They for instance even go broke the door. Or a number, they call the telephone number for see and say whether they don't travel, not travel, they not do and so. So I blame neighbor them. And I encourage people the way they should don't for one for how say they not do and so. Then for person waiting you 2 foot go jump for water. That means say if something no they do it, they do something. I don't know. I'm not sure say person how I stand so. Even though I get 1 foot now,
Yes.
they not even now for stand for road for my call box. I go do it. But no be say I would go jump for water so that man die. That means say that kind of person. Now it's a fine he die. And no be I still talk say was still there for back because I may risk to them. Enough for make one day, even they say they be specialized for things where they do. Then after 4 or a few days, they go see that die body.
They see the die body.
Yes, so
now you know say maybe the time when the boy die, be see there for underwater. Maybe for Sawi they show them because when they come work for Sawi population talk say na for year way for. So if they find the place way for they no see, you know go hold the army rescue people there.
yeah, they're not lazy boy
I know they
because
support them, but when they come, they be show them say na for year the man be jump. Then too they come for the turn only for the place or see.
Ambassador, water no dey stand na one place. As water they go, if they carry die body too, go live am for some place. Now their work when it talk say you be specialist for something, do am. Make the world see and say you know the work fine.
Okay, what that die for that girl and boy to take his own 2 foot, go kill himself, jump enter for water. Wait you get for talk like papa too for pikin.
Oga Ambassador, I go start na for die for that girl. For tell say na first time this for 36 years where something go happen for the Cameroon where no na Paul Biya fought. No na Paul Biya fought say that girl go die for us so because man no be know say he is sick and say book for God don't talk say no fan for the remain you one man no must remain you one. Teacher be blame neighbor them. You know say we there for copy life for white people. They don't you don't feel being for some quarter maybe say your neighbor no know you don't even know your own telephone number and you come be there you make 2 days they know they look you. Sometimes you dey comot, you know the great people, you comot, you just go. They don't know if you don't come back or they don't know if you don't comot. Now, thing wey fit make say that young girl, he don't die for day. It make like 3 days before they come discover say he don't die, and it seem like say na some young girl to wey be try small thing them, as he be send things them like but so they before see say they never see for 3 days they find them but. Na that order don't make no. Say they know say something go be where you don't happen. Na big
die.
Na big die. Na problem for parents for that girl. And for come for that young boy we fall for inside water for black water. Oga Ambassador. Even na say a woman don't leave you. Even na say some man don't borrow him money, you no give him back. I think say
even I say you get some kind of war sick.
if maybe na that was 6 make say you want come for that black water, no they look am.
No, but even the war 6 every day.
No war 6 no the way they need a treater.
Any war 6 get medicine, and you know if it come, we will see that water black, so it then how no so no for swim. Unless you want to say yourself, you just jump for inside, so begin give work for people as we see that rescue people that struggle so. And that will say man the fall for water, that body no fit remain for one place, that trunk for water will carry they go for some side. And if for no say, as you don't fall for ya, they must go like for 25 or 30 meters for go look up. Now so, none of them we feel blame, we no feel blame them. I say that boy don't find it on die, and if you talk, I say may rest in peace.
All right, we go left Palava for die them. We enter for Palava for fire. This one happened on Thursday, Friday morning. Now for Syri they call am saying Nouvelle Route Besengem. We population say be surprised. We fire is that cash inside the quarter for around that kind of past 9 o'clock for night. We fire so it start cash, and the fire no be there na that kind of small picking fire. Now big fire way the population say no be fit for understand. But sabi say since we dey for corner army rescue people they say they be there na the first people them for land for them for see as well they go lose the fire say make it no enter for other people their house. Waiting be really happen before the fire be cash. Congo side, it be the talk say in a gas where some person be the cook on top. Congo side, it talk say na full away it they come out for place where they keep fuel. No man true, he never sabi wait way it happen before this fire way it burn so it cast for that side. According to report where we enter for we hear, it talk for we say this fire it burn one person die for day where this accident be happen. 4 people the day where they be born small but they no be dying, and we get plenty houses there, more than 20 houses them where they burn for that side. So as we talk, we know before for sabi the VT way pass before the fire it start cash for place where they call am say Nouvelle Route Besengem. But sabi say if the thing happen for night, we know before for see the place after where the fire don't lost fine. We be turned back for Nouvelle Route Besengem for morning time. We be there on Friday for see people them. We meet up with them. They try for bend their zinc them clean place where don't catch. Then they try for show we side where they so this fire is surely start for that side. So we start for enter for see the real thing wey happen. The boxing way they so they talk say na Guataho way it dey come up for place where they keep fuel, and always it dey use of pass so they will small fuel away. It go can enter for down same way you see am. That one now so it go waka a pass now for corner people their house. You understand? That water now so as we enter so way you see am. So now that boxing so that small round boxing. Now for the way they come up for place where they keep fuel, it enter for water. The water now so it go carry the water. It pass for different water way they so normal. Now for the way people they no be get for big house according to way to here. But anyhow, we never feel for confirm whether na this one it cause am or no be na him. But sabi say as we fire it catch one time. Now why that way it burn all place for that side. So governor, he don't talk say they make investigate for sabi the real cause way it happen for this fire for that side. Governor says somewhere to the neighbor Dubois, it dey for that side. We hear say governor he don't give authorized say make it go down for field for try for go see wetin wey happen and for talk asham for all the people that wey their house them they burn. Ogale what fire way cash big trouble, plenty family them sorted today. Maybe they don't be number 2 nights where they no get house place or put their head.
Oga Ambassador, you don't come for some way we must talk for this kind of country where they give certification for society them where they make like yogurt, they make petrol, hydrocarbon, all that thing. I manage something will be like this one for SCDP where they wash all that petrol no throw am for inside gutter. Where that gutter they never fix am say make that gutter grab go just internet for some container where they go just take that container before they go throw it. They leave am so. I think say if I'm in Bafan some few times for Donya not far from this equinox for Valley Besenge. Some people be there where they take pocket begin go carry fuel as they be do for Same Fulan one day. That you know but stay. It means say that people they know they care for no nothing. They know they care for no nothing. When petrol begin come out, people they take pocket, they go carry them. I say they carry na water, and na water say we no get them for the country. They will go carry na petrol. So they throw that petrol. So you say Congo Saron talk say so it maybe na some gas don't go blow where they cook chop. You know, she say that hole where we show we so it black inside. All that petrol will come out that's SCDP. If you for come join for inside there, and some man feel one pass where they smoke a cigar, carelessly he that may go for cigar for inside, you go put fire no, and that fire catch cartier. And I think say we the just see people they make their own thing. We the try imitate them. So we go make and we also. That one they call them for French now. For na citacisme. It means say you just repeat something where the year. You know say the year say pompier they get number so. If problem they call that pompier they will come. Some man don't talk a year for some radio. Say some man for that quartier. 30 minutes before that accident being, he don't call pompier like 10 times. He shows up that phone. Say they ring, they know they take him. But they give that number for people now for do waiting. Huh? Sometimes they try for lock that thing, may not burn all that 20 house them. Make that people where they don't die, may they not die. If they for come quick, this thing no for happen, no for trunk so, Oga Ambassador.
Okay, Oga Jan, another fire where plenty people they don't lose their house. 2 people them, according to it will be here yesterday, say small picking and so other man be die. This kind of fire, if you say not just carelessness or the people there because of one they thought say normal people they no be there for be for place where they be built.
Ambassador, some man be talk say when they look him and me die, but they want cry. If I look the our country, I want so cry. Now house they meet up place where petrol they on a petrol meet up place meet up house. That way they be build the house. That container for petrol be for day for the fuel. They need to check and for move on. Now the same government they give land title for people they for go be house for the corner. That means as this country, as the country be ruled by old people them. They like say it don't be a burden for other people the way they grow young. Anything that just happen, go for industrial zone for Bonaberry. Some company they where they make iron. It then for quarter. Now who they authorize that kind of company for inside quarter. And that company anytime people they die for day for industrial zone for Bonaberry. No man know the cough. How go do? Now house is the day for place where fuel day. No man know the talk. Now fuel fit catch fire. Luckily, now only 20 houses they don't burn. Where at least if na say God no be there, sometimes the whole quarter be burn. Petrol no get nothing. It no be a brother for house. Petrol no be a brother for fire. And when they cook for that house is them every day. No be all man they use even gas. Some people they light na fire. Some people they use na charcoal pot. Where even wind, if it carry fire, it go drop and for day the whole place burn. So this government, I beg, any man where they listen we will do something for this government.
You want to do it with you?
We want to do it. In fact, I be don't talk for here one day say if Cameroon pass we for ruler, may they sell and divide money. People they laugh. It don't already pass we. It don't already pass we for ruler.
You be slave say a country.
It don't already pass we. Cameroon don't already pass we. Think the way they happen for other country, they need to happen for Cameroon so. More the change, more the copy example. Even for small Equatorial Guinea where they for Wakona, the kind of thing nothing happen for them.
Alright, we go open chapter for campaign. Now we last those that for this afternoon go show now all campaign will happen for inside the week before we can talk on top. Today na last day for campaign before we get votes wey dey come for Sunday. So we go start now with Cabral Libi. He be there for that side so for Fumbang. Sabi say be one of the young boy them inside this chapter for campaign. He be there for Fumbang side for try for see so he go talk with the young people them and even people that they get age for go vote say Sunday. He no far again. Make all man he come up for outside so for vote. He be there na one of the last out to them. Today say pass the talk. Cabral Libi he go be for place where they call am say Yawende for make a last campaign, big campaign where he go pass for that side so for Yawende Omnisport. We left Cabral Libi, we enter to for Maurice Kamto too for Cameroon Renaissance Movement. Under rain, 9-way population, he talk for Maurice Kamto say come good for Yawende. Valsero say one of the Mutumbu man they work for boy Maurice Kamto. He be there as well Maurice Kamto say come out. comot population dem plenty for can talk for population say dey so. Time for change e don reach, and for change na for comot una plenty for see as wey of una fit vote for we wey e go be na which day Sunday. Even Oga Ekuka Penda Sesep wey be don be na adviser from Nkukuma, e be dey for corner Maurice Kamto for talk for people dem say time don reach na for change. Pa Maurice Kamto Sesep talk for population for Yawende for talk say make dey sabi say day for change na day wey dey go put their vote, and e dey na for Sunday. And we sabi say Maurice Kamto dey for Douala here today wey na for that side dey call am say petit terrain for Bonamusadi for the last campaign. Make we take una go for Penja side for talk say even for Penja, but Maurice come to a party, e be there for that side, so for Penja for the people them. But sabi say for Penja side, e no be there, SSF, na Paul Eric Kinge, e be there for talk for the people that say wetin, say make they no forget, say Maurice come to SSF, e go be, and the red ballot paper, na e wey they get for use am for voting, wey e go be na tomorrow. Woman the way they do tibele, they go get njo when they go do anything for inside hospital. We go let Maurice come to two. We talk Akeremuna, con the people them, or we talk Akeremuna. Before we talk Akeremuna, make we enter for Oga Franklin Ndi for Afangwin, where SSF e be there for Gadwa side, e be there na one of the last work of them for North region, them way e meet up with the own population for place where they call them say Gadwa, for talk for them 17. Tomorrow when na Sunday, na the day wey they get for comot, vote plenty. If change, they wan really see change. So he wey he been a president for Cameroon National Citizen Movement. He talk for people then say he own paper na green, and na for sure say wetin green na waiting, green na for young people them, and na for changing them for inside country. Make we remain for up north for talk palava to Akeremuna. Sabi say Akeremuna say plenty young boy they be comot for talk for he say come good for that side, so from Gaundere and Akeremuna talk 17 yellow paper na e wey they get for use am as way e dey, so they get for enter for palava for vote for Sunday. Motumbu people they say they be there for talk this palava say pa Akere come good. We go enter now so for different chapters. CPDM SSF, them too they be there for campaign. We take on go for that side, so for Gadwa, for Bamendam, for talk say CPDM too, it be there for campaign, BB campaign. Plenty people they be don't check say CPDM, it no go fit for make campaign for Bamendam. Lie to lie, the last campaign will happen for them. Now Ogam as Jean Kwete SSF, Secretary General, it be there for talk for people them for Norway say waiting. Make them no forget for vote Nkunkuma when number 7 day for inside the money come. Young Philemon Seseb like head boy for campaign, EBDD, and other big people that Seseb for inside CPDM, they be dead. Boya side too, we go enter too for Boya, country people them, we enter for Boya. Sabi say we the only turn back for the thing way happen, we go take on to go for side where they call them say Boya. For Boya too, we be get campaign for CPDM for Boya. Now the first one way it happen for inside Boya, country people them. The first campaign way happen for inside Boya since we they start waiting, since we they start campaign, open campaign, and it be happen for Bongo Square. Sabi say plenty of the people they be don't sabi say na Nkunkuma SSF e be the Boya, but last no be na Nkunkuma. Moto de one na the see and so na moto we carry people them bring them for Boya. We na ketu them near they be there for back the moto, follow all the moto them as well they come out, as well they go na so to e come back. But the promise we Boya people they make when na former Prime Minister Peter Mafane Mosonga be there, he talk say go up and down, they so turn up strong for back Nkunkuma back as we they talk for that side, so for inside campaign. First one where it happen for open air for that side, so for Boya. They say so yes for back Nkunkuma back, go up, calm down. Last one we'll look for inside and for Penja where plenty people they said that it also for the first time. CPDM it get plenty population where come out and for some kind political team for inside Penja where they try for talk saying that Honorable Dono Banga say we make the plenty people they come out. Sabi say be there na time for CPDM people then too for talk come good for Minister Lojon Mbelam where he become for day for come make his own campaign for CPDM. Sabi say na he be the big man for inside Mongo division. He can remind people them for Penja, say me they no forget who for vote Nkunkuma when he come for tomorrow. So we don't already turn round and we go talk on top the campaign. Sabi say the latest story for them na say wetin. Say Akeremuna, he don join hand with Maurice Kamto. Say them two, they go enter for see as we dey. According to Pa Akeremuna, he talk say he no be fit for left Cameroon for back. He want to say make tomorrow Cameroon is better than say he carry na his own proper needs, his own self for go for before. So he don't join hand for Maurice Kamto. So now them two then that see as we all them two they put their hand. Now for talk say true, we don't join hand. So for a vote, una go see we too. Make una no worry. Only man will be get for vote. Make una vote for Pa Maurice Kamto. Me, I don't come on my hand. I want to say make tomorrow Cameroon a day better. And with this also hear some Congo side say this evening time, plenty other people then too, they go surely join for inside the coalition. But we never feel for confirm. The only one who don't confirm, now these two people them, where it is so they don't join hand. Now, we go enter back for inside here. Palava for campaign. Ogaja. I don't turn all sides.
Yeah.
You don't see what will don't happen. The opposition and even the people that they did for chair. Come, where we get for talk on top or where to get for talk?
Yes, I will start by talk stay and for take Cameroonian and say if some different word be there where they replace say election. But for me, I will talk some more talk formality. For me, election not there for Cameroon. I will tell you like a person. A supervised presidential election for 2011. I would deny say election not there for Cameroon. If election be there for Cameroon, this opposition, if really they be one change for the country, like how Akeremuna and Professor Maurice Kamto, they join so. Now so opposition they for do, they join one person, may they be one. Because they used to tell you, say when they join plenty stick for broker, you know they be easy. But as any man they stand, I no see no reason where they up to 9 candidates, they fit be for Cameroon. And it shows say it be very impossible. I mean very impossible for say may they win CPDM. I not come here for campaign, but I return and say they make error. If they really want change for the country, time still there, would they still wait with them? And then for say people there, it shows Boya now say CPDM go campaign for Boya. I never see place where they go campaign, then they bring their people then for go make campaign for day. Because Boya people they no be come out. Now only few people that boss then so where they say and so now they bring people then for can show say campaign day for Boya. No inhabitants for Boya. The one be been a true fact. Mm-hmm. So at the back Cameroon and there where they say they be opposition, even I want change for the country, may wanna join together. Even I not join together at the street talk, then will be wasting our time. Then that formality where they take place tomorrow, so we'll continue for the taker. For Cameroon where they know where they hear. Now formality will be make for Cameroon, no be election. Because and I never see election where now so one person they win. I tell you,
it shows say it be person with people they like and plenty. If they win one, me say people they like it.
That's why I tell you say I be a supervised presidential election, not be council election for 2011. More just forget say election, they don't pass. In election they don't pass. Now do want to they call and say election. More see how the one will pass. Whether it will pass like the way be for 1982, or whether it will pass like the way be for 2011.
Okay. Now when you see the way campaign happen for this year and the way people them because people they glad for even go take their card for votes. When you see the campaign and the way they place vote, when you look at 2011 on and the one, you check if something fit change.
I think where if it change, now we will bring the change. Okay. More forget money where they give we. If we really want change for the country, more check say my picking, it will be now who for the country. That time we will change. But not be their crowd. Most of the people they follow that people then for back so they not get voting card. The one not true. You know if you tell me say place now most of them are buying now they follow them. But now how many of people they follow them so they get voting card? Now the question that if we really want change for the country, more forget money where they give away. More forget bribe where they talk say when I win, I will do you so. Now the thing that way take I put the country for fire where for move on today. Yeah. You don't enter for fire. So they come up for fire pan go enter for fire. And some people they want and now say may burn because it already be for fire. If Cameroon and they want and say how a country Cameroon come up for inside fry pan, it go for fire. If they want and say may enter now, may that fire burn them until may not remain anything again. Then now we Cameroon will get to decide.
Organic what? Campaign e get for end today for evening time. Sunday, na way this way they get for vote, make a chapter for votes for inside the country. You yourself, if you're a man, you don't see how the campaign happen. And when you look all the one them, when you look all to it happen, how you check? And this new story to come up for Kamto and Akeremuna. We plenty people that say they don't talk in a better to Akeremuna do am for say make it put his support for Kamto.
Oga Ambassador. Tanwa the act as a journalist, I must get some neutral position. But now some citizens don't come for talking on thing where you get them for Bele. Them say, I know if you talk say, I know they are for campaign. I there for campaign. I don't pass for this place many times before this campaign reach. We also talk say we need change. My brother teacher say, you know they are for talk for flower campaign. That way we talk say we need change. Now we change we need that. No, me say you call say me they go for that ballot, may change that people where they day for chair now. They put new people them where they feel roll this Cameroon. Now here they talk say I go start now say we get chance. Say this PG news. Many people they hear, they follow them.
And they don't understand.
I want pass for they talk say me the member forgive one award for Oga Ambassador. Now I want to talk for my people for Cameroonians say if they give one money, when I take that money, now money for Cameroon. When I take that money, when I go chop am. Now when I own money, no me no tell when I say CPDM can't give envelope, no take am. Now on small one.
Why they call now the CPDM?
No, let me I know but finish talk.
Because now they get money where they make campaign.
If CPDM can't give money, you take am. If na Univer or na MRC or na wait come give you money, you must take them, you chop them. But we know people wait for inside the Cameroon where they use for give that kind of money. Sometimes that money that they give them don't make say they overstay. For close that chapter, I say if they come give money for any man, may take them. Now where they for inside that house where they put them so where they put that bulletin then where go take and put them for inside ballot no. Now for they true go being. Now for they had go talk. And I want to talk say, Oga Ambassador, Mr. Akeremuna don't show his own heart. Say he no be man for egoism. Say he elect na Cameroon. Because na over big man way he there for be an president them for country. He there for work outside. He knock back for that BB people. So like say they be friend and they be friend. He don't come. He see say he na Oga na Mr. Kamto fit take that thing kill him. Now he don't see him so. He don't go talk say make the John. They make together. This last time them. Now few hours again for that campaign. If I say people them here, say if till for even time, other people no but go join because how we talk say changement must be. That changement are between CPDM and opposition. That opposition no must get 3 names. It no must get 10 names. Opposition must be now one for change that kind of thing we don't be in 36 years. Now if till this even time that other people them or na Cabral Libi or na who they know John make people where they don't join all Cameroonian must know say they no go vote no other people. They will vote na people where they don't go join or they will be na 2 or they will be na 3. No, if you did 1, you know by John.
Yeah, not 2.
I go make
2 for 1.
If they did 2, if not only Akeremuna and Oga Kamto they don't join, may all people forget all that other one because they will go put that they vote. It will be na inutile because one man you don't get 3 million people. Where surely anyhow they will vote. If they go divide that vote, they give small for one for Cabral Libi. Where Lekam, they give small one for Kamto. They give small vote for Akeremuna. They give small one for Prophet Franklin. They will go John now which day no Oga Ambassador.
No one day.
Another vote now only 1 2. If I say they John one time, and if they know John, make population they just go vote. Or you'll be Univer, or you'll be waiting, What must go vote now for people where they don't join for say that vote get small weight.
All right, so country people them now the last one this will they do before vote for president come. we say we go surely come up for outside for see as we place it go dey. Sabi say we no dey. If you get for come up for outside country, for Douala or for Google outside today, you know go fit for Sabi say 6 o'clock. You remain for house. So 6 o'clock for Sunday. Thank you plenty, Oga Jam, for your time.
I thank you, Ambassador, and I thank the people. Some people they be here say I don't make, I see they I don't die. I see they are alive.
Okay.
Though another way, that I will so come.
Thank you plenty, Oga Lewat, for your time.
Thank you, Oga Ambassador. Thank all your viewers. Thank you.
All right. We there with plenty we will make and say meeting happen fine. Nadingwa for thank you, Malis, thank you. Even you Ledu Pone Warren Zede. Oh now the Raphael Dipanda too. I will say thank you plenty. Rebroadcast. It will surely be tomorrow for 8:30. But Sabi same we get election, so we go get special program. Then we go come for Sunday. So if you know see rebroadcast, no worry asking. Sote another time. On a whole I'm tight for outside.